Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, April 23rd. Let's see what we have to do for today. Remember, it's a Friday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet together in class on Zoom. Let's see what you have to do in async. You have two activities. First activity is an article in Achieve 3000. Who's the smartest? Remember, you have exactly 7 days left to read your articles for the month to make any progress. Your next async activity is your deliverable. You will be comparing which season you like better, summer or winter. And you will use comparative and superlative, comparative to make your comparison, to compare them and explain why you like one over the other. You'll write an essay, a paragraph, 4 to 5 sentences at least. And here is your scale. Don't worry about the two examples part. Just worry about you don't have that many spelling or grammar errors. All right. And that's it for async. I will have office hours to conference. So those of you who have your time to conference with me tomorrow, please come at your time. Not tomorrow, today, Friday. Please come at your time. All right. And that's it, my friends. Good luck.